Hello friends, I am Vijay and she is Jaya and today we will talk about branding in Khelo India Games. Branding is an integral part of Khelo India Games. The significance of Khelo India's brand name and logo are key assets around which Khelo India tries to build strong relationships with the general public and participating entities. Branding elevates the look and feel for the entire game and charges the atmosphere by implementing the design language of branding elements for Khelo India across all venues and host city. Let's talk about scope of work. Indoor and outdoor stadium for branding including at entry points, seating area, drop-down, banners, specific areas, venue directional signage in 1 kilometer radius.
Directional signage boards. Venue entry, exit arch.
Archways at entry exit and pathway arch.
Police post. Medical venues. Press conference room. Catering lounges. Mixed zones. Organizing committee. Khelo India offices. Help desks. Hotels. Hostels. Vehicles. Equipments. Athletes changing room. Coaches rooms. Gym.
Facade branding, standees, area signage.
Storerooms. Sports presentation areas. VIP areas. Warehouse. Accreditation and sports apparel distribution centers. Washrooms.
Backdrops and champions board, LED panels and broadcast logo. Let's talk about the branding junction. Games Secretariat or key officers, Khelo India office, Delhi and Games venue, State Sports Department. Instadir branding, in and around the stadium, except the field of play. Example, tier branding, drop-downs, spectator stand branding, etc. Vehicle branding, vehicles like SUVs, sedans, hatchbacks, buses and other transportation vehicles used for Khelo India Games purposes. Field of play branding, branding that happens in the field of play like boards and T-boards around the FOP venue branding. Branding elements in the respective stadiums of the venue, like branding at gate arches, pole branding, walkway standees etc., around the equipment and TSR branding. Sports equipment, all equipment and elements needed for the respective sport. Host state are to take global trade certificate approval before branding any equipment. Friends, it's very important to know about ambush marketing. Ambush marketing is when an organization that is not associated with Khelo India Games, in official capacity undergoes a promotional campaign to imply an association with Khelo India under false pretexts. Ambush marketing. 1. Distribution of any kind of merchandise bags by vendors. It should not have vendor's logo on it. 2. Direct ambushing happens while an unauthorized use of protected symbols, logos, words or designs. 3. Ambushing the event happens while deliberately gaining exposure for a product or service by creating an unauthorized link or association with an event. 4. Ambushing a sponsor while deliberately undermining the marketing strategy of an official sponsor. Friends, I am sure you have enjoyed the video. See you at the games.